Okay, welcome to the new installment of videos. We're going to do something a little bit different. So I had opened up a notebook of mine and I thought I was going to study it. As you can see here, several notes we have going on. And I decided that what would be greater than having a personal study session would be putting this information I have down that I've been working with for years together in a simplified whiteboard format for you to understand. For oftentimes, it is proposed that the true ability to understand what you're talking about is being able to articulate it and teach it to others. So I'll take this information I have, whiteboard it, put it in my own paraphrased words, and hopefully you can take it, run with it, and improve your experience. Without further ado, welcome to Reality Mastery. Okay? Everybody wants to understand how the physical realm exists around us, how it's created. A lot of information on this on the internet. You can find some golden places where it is really accurate, but there's also a lot of people putting clickbait out there. As a preface, a lot of things as these videos unfold, they may sound redundant, okay? And there's a reason for that, because everything happens subconsciously, right? There's no fancy affirmations or something like that that's going to change your life in 2 seconds. I can save you the time to watch all the videos. It's awareness. Okay, it's your awareness, and it's always going to be your awareness. But what we're going to do is we're going to go over some different topics, discussions, things you can use in your daily life to gain power and control over your awareness, so then you can gain authority over your experience. All right, reality mastery. Let's see how we're going to start. Now, what is our purpose? I'm a little too obsessed with erasing properly, but that's okay. Our purpose is going to be effortless creation. Of our desired reality. Okay? Effortless creation of our desired reality. Dropping stuff already. Now, how are we going to get that? And desired reality equals goals, right? That's why it's a goal, because you desire it in your reality. So, how are we going to do this? How are we going to bring our reality to fruition? Well, simple. As I already briefly touched on, principles, techniques, right? Principles are greater than techniques. Always going to be the case. And that's the point of what we're doing here. We're going to drive home the principle of what creates your experience around you. You have a lot of people out here talking about techniques, the clickbait titles. Oh, these affirmations got me a Ferrari yesterday, or whatever they're talking about. That's not going to do it, my friends. You have to understand the principles of what creates your experience. You can't rely on some pie in the sky idealistic technique. All right, it's going to be principles, 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 always. And what is that principle? What is the principle? Again, you can save yourself all the time searching YouTube. The principle is your awareness, right? What are you aware of in this moment? Not the past, not the future, here and now. Where's your awareness? That is the principle you must focus on. Okay, hopefully the audio is working out properly. I've got the microphone on top of this whiteboard. I'm testing that out. I don't really like wearing it because then you get a lot of audible swallowing sounds. I don't really enjoy it in the editing process, listen to it, so I can't imagine you do as a viewer. Either way, mic's there. Hopefully the audio works. Principles greater than techniques. Remember that. Here I go, properly erasing once again. You know, maybe I guess I could just edit this part out. I'm a big proponent of just doing one long single cut and no editing. So I'm getting kind of in my feelings about how much I'm erasing, but I actually just realized right now I can just edit these parts out. How about that? All right, now for the big guns, okay? I am the sole creator of my reality. Okay? Say it with me now. I am the sole creator of my reality. Start here. Now, understand that I am encompasses this following phrase, the sole creator of my reality. Anytime you say I am, you are invoking the responsibility of creating your reality from your own standpoint. Understand? I am beautiful, fantastic, a horrible ditch-dwelling hobo. You choose that. You create that. Okay? Remember, I am is invoking the power of being the sole creator of your reality. That's why I put these in this context, in this format here. Okay? That's what I am means. Sole creation of your reality. I am. Boom. Your next statement. Your next desired reality. Right? Okay? Remember this. This is, and as we said, principles greater than techniques. This is the principle right here. I am consciousness. I am awareness. Right? You are awareness. I am awareness. I am whatever comes next. And you hold that. All right. So a lot of people, they're confused about how this works. What we've got to focus on. Oh man, this blue. Garbage. Okay. Focus on being, right? Then the doing, and finally having, right? This is what so many people run into. This is the wall people run into. Everyday life, whether they're trying to consciously manifest whatever it is they desire, this is the issue. Because most people, they want to start here. And again, principles greater than techniques. A lot of this stuff is going to be redundant in future videos. You're going to hear it again. So be prepared. We're programming the subconscious mind for maybe not success, but for awareness here in the moment, so you can have the power to invoke your own creative potential. So many people, they want to have the thing, right? They want to have. Once they have it, then they'll do it, and then they can be that thing, right? That's how most people think in this weird, strange, scientific linear idea of how reality works. But it's the complete inverse of that. First, you must be number one. Before any and all things, you must be that person. And while being that person, then you do the thing, right? And then you can have the desired reality. But being always comes first. Do whilst you are being, then, and only then, may you have. Okay? So, this may very well be the most important snapshot of a whiteboard we have in the entire note-taking process. I am the sole creator of my reality. Focus on being, then do, then have. All right? Remember that. Be, do, have. Okay? I do because I am. Excuse me. I do because I am, not I am because I do. The question is, and I mean, this is the question to ask yourself. Who am I becoming? Okay? I know this window's printing. Maybe if I pull the shade down. Sort of. Who am I becoming? All right? This is the question to ask yourself. And it's not to get sucked into a thought loop, think this, think that about yourself. It's here in this moment. This is how you can pull yourself into the center, you can pull yourself into awareness, and you can consciously assume authority over the direction of your life. Because if you ask, who am I becoming? You apply that question to what you are doing here and now. Is what I'm doing here and now forcing me to become who I want to be? And that should be a very, very linear yes or no question or conclusion, right? You shouldn't need some sort of philosophical breakdown to see where you are in the moment, what you're doing in that moment, and be able to make a clear delineation about where that's going to take you. And then you can choose to continue to keep doing it or stop and do something else, whether or not it is serving who you intend to become. All right? So remember, I am the sole creator of my reality. Ask yourself, who am I becoming? Yes? All right. I think that covers it for the very first video. We're just getting our feet wet. So, check it out. There'll be more to come, more videos. Subscribe to be awesome. Appreciate you. Catch you in the next one. Bang.